video. So right now I'm at Toronto Union Station and I'm on the GO train. I'm taking the Stouffville line train heading to Agincourt GO station.
This train on platforms 11 and 12 is your 413 Stouffville line train heading to Mount Joy, making all station stops. We have 2 minutes till departure and less than 1 minute till doors close on platforms 11 and 12.
Now, once we arrive to Agincourt station, I will wait until the train departs at Agincourt GO station. We're just waiting for at the Union Station. I'm waiting for all doors to be closed at platform 11 to platform 12.
Final call for the doors on platform 12, final call. Please stand clear, doors are not closing on platform 12. Final call for the doors on platform 11.
I see a Lakeshore East Line train arriving at Toronto Union Station on platform 10. And we have MP4648 coming into the station. And here we go, our train's also departing on time. So here we go. There we go, we're on the way to Agincourt GO station. So we're just on the way to Agincourt station. We'll film when the train before it departs. So here's MP4648. Oh, we have 648, 637, 635. Sadly, the dreams also.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome aboard your 413 Stouffville line train. This is Jose, your customer service ambassador, speaking to you from accessibility coach number 2507 that's located right in the middle of the train. We are headed to Mount Joy, making all station stops. This trip will end at Mount Joy GO. GO is happy to provide you with bus connections at Mount Joy GO 4, Stouffville GO, and Old Elm GO. Thank you for riding with us today and have a pleasant trip. First station is Kennedy Station.
As I forgot to mention, you guys, that during Saturday and Sunday,
Attention passengers exiting at Milliken or Markham. Due to construction, not all coaches will be opening at Milliken or Markham Station. The coaches not opening at Milliken or Markham Station are 374, 2063, 2844, 2033, and 2032. If you're sitting in any of those coaches and are exiting at Markham or Milliken, please make your way through in the direction the train is traveling until you reach in the middle in coach number 2507. Once again, the coaches not opening at Milliken or Markham are 374, 2063, 2844, 2033, and 2032. Once again, if you're sitting in any of those coaches and are exiting at Markham or Milliken Station, please make your way through in the direction the train is traveling until you reach me in the middle in coach number 2507. Once again, our first station is Kennedy Station.
forgot to mention you guys that during Saturday, Sunday, Richmond Hill Line trains doesn't run during weekends. They only run it from Monday to Friday.
The yellow emergency strip should only be pressed when medical, police, transit safety, or fire services are needed. There is a fine for misuse.
La bande d'alarme jaune ne doit pas être enclenchée que lorsque les services médicaux, la police, les services de sécurité ou les pompiers s'avèrent nécessaires. La mauvaise utilisation de la bande d'alarme est passible d'une amende.
Okay, now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just gonna end this video. Then, when I arrive to Agincourt GO station, I'll film it before the trains depart at Agincourt GO station. Thank you for watching this video.